Hello friends, today in this video I am going to create Galaxy Vibe nails but with easy steps and most unique method which maybe you haven't seen anywhere else. For that here I am preparing my nails before the gel X process. I usually do gel extensions with hard gel but sometimes I prefer to do gel X. It's easy way to save the time and you can focus more on the nail art not in building the gel extensions. I prefer these when I have to create something new which is experimental type I would say. If you are a beginner you must try this method like if your nail inspo has some heavy and detailed art then you should do gel X so you will not tired and work actively on your heavy nail arts. My regular viewers know that I always use base coat to stick these nails but not the nail glue. I did not buy one because I personally have an opinion as nail art content creator. So let me explain you why do I avoid to use nail glues. As a nail artist, I have to do nails like 2-3 times in every 10 days because I have to make the videos and also I have to maintain my nails health. Using base coat as nail glue is better and safe because they pop off after 2 days and I don't have to worry about my nails health. And that's why I don't file or make rough surface of my natural nails. It's my personal opinion and choice of doing my nails, but you can do whatever you like. Make sure you don't be hard on your natural nails because it hurts so bad. In my older videos, when I just started to do my nails, I already told you the story behind. You can watch those videos. That is the reason why I do all these steps in my present videos. I'm cutting the nails little bit just to trim off the nail numbers. And I think I should do the stiletto shape at this time, so I took my cute little nail cutter and cutting the side edges. I never used this cutter before for doing my any nail extensions job, but today I picked this up and start cutting the nails. I have really short like no growth on my natural nails and I was worried for my skin under the nails, but fortunately base coat did not even touch the skin. The application of these tips is almost perfect. Nails are growing and when I'll serve you my next video, they will have grown up so good. Which nail set you would prefer to see in my next video? Comment now. There is a layer of top coat under these tips and it's getting hard to cut them with this cutter. So at last I brought my small scissor and made the process easy. Cutting the tips with scissor is usual task for me. Even I cut the hard gel extensions with this scissor. Nail extensions process is done, and now move to the most interesting part of this video, which is using the air dry metallic nail paints to create the celestial effect. I am selecting the shades by which I will create soft galaxy art. Taking my top coat and I apply a thin layer of this on the tips. I almost thought about using the base coat in this step, but then changed my mind because these nail paints need something which is not sticky on the base, so we can drag the material easily. I'm saying this because I already used this method in my old video, especially in the Dubai chocolate nails video. You can find that in my channel history. After that video, I got this fact that I have to avoid the sticky gels to use with the air dry material. Let's put the drops one by one. I have 12 colors of these metallic ones, but some are going well with the galaxy vibe and some are very similar in appearance, so I selected the most appropriate shades for this nail look. One thing which is very special and weird about this video is that yesterday when I was sleeping, not sleeping but just before sleeping, I was thinking that I should create something galactic type of nails. I did not create this theme and I literally thought about these nail paints to create this look, and I am doing this right now. Strange but lovely, right? These are air dry and I have to mix something which can help me to cure these in UV light. So here I am mixing my top coat. I'm creating this at once and then top coat it, and if I feel like I should cover it with second layer, then I will do that. To make this look more galactic, here I'm gonna use this 9D Cat Eye Silver Gel Polish. Let's put this on. First, I thought I will do the cat eye on the base and then put the other shades on that in the jelly appearance form. But I think this will not work that much better for this look, or I don't know if that can work, but I did this step in opposite way. I'm so much excited to see how it comes. After activate the particles, I'm finding the right reflection where I feel like I want this look. And I think I've got the perfect look, which is not overpowering the down art, exactly what I expected it to be. I applied this on all the nails at once because there is nothing which will be same in this step. I'm gonna make the different arrangement of the magnetic particles so I don't have to worry about the movement of particles. You know that I'm not good at this step, but in this video at this time I am working like a pro. You can't judge me with this look. After done the nail art, now it's time to have some charms on the galaxy. I decided to pick the stones which is perfect for this whole vibe. These are stars of course. Using the base coat to stick these tiny things, but it's a pure headache to handle this step. They stick anywhere and you can't find after they drop out of your space. Putting all at center first and then move there on my desired corner. I want to put more like these, so it's better to maintain the gaps in between. I'm in love with this nail art, literally look at the metallic shine. Next I took the half moons. I think I should keep this look simple and plain because if I will put the big stones and 3D art, then this aesthetic vibe will hide under those 3D charms. After these two steps, now I am experimenting something which is going to be a bad idea. I put these metal balls on the two nails to see how this will come. But after some seconds, I felt like, no, it's not that what I wanted. So I removed all the balls and final thought is that I will keep these nails as they are. I took smallest rhinestone and put on every nail. It's like the full moon or the sun, whatever you would like to call. After that, I'll seal these charms and apply the top coat to make these done. Avoid put any gel on these stone charms. You can cover the pearls, bow and other non-reflective things with the gel layers, but don't cover these stones with any type of gel. This is the final look. I hope you like my videos and appreciate my dedication in nail arts. See you in my next video. Bye.